Okay, let's go now to practice problems for our quarter 3 measurement and geometry lesson Roman numeral number 1, trigonometric ratios in real life, illustrating right triangles through everyday objects. Number 1. A ladder leans against a wall, making an angle of 70 degrees with the ground. The ladder is 10 meters long. Represent the right triangle and label the sides, opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse with respect to the angle. So we're given the hypotenuse, which is 10 meters, and then the angle theta, 70 degrees. Required, label the sides and find opposite and adjacent. So in order to find for the opposite, we need to use the sine of angle 70 degrees is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. And from there, we can get the opposite to be 10 times sine 70 degrees by using cross multiplication, which is approximately equal to 9.4 meters. And to determine the adjacent side, we are going to use the cosine of angle 70 degrees, which is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. From that formula, we can get the adjacent side is equal to 10 meters multiplied by cosine of 70 degrees, which is equal to 3.42 meters. And then the hypotenuse is already given. It need not to be computed. And the final answer is 9.4 meters, the opposite. And then the adjacent is 3.42 meters, and the hypotenuse is 10 meters. Number 2, a 12-meter ladder reaches 8 meters high on a wall. Identify the sides of the right triangle formed with respect to the ground angle. So we're given hypotenuse 12 meters. And then we're given also the opposite 8 meters. We need to identify the adjacent, which is the base. So using our formula for Pythagorean theorem, um, adjacent squared plus opposite squared is equal to hypotenuse squared. And substitute the values of the hypotenuse and the opposite. From there, we can get the formula for our adjacent, which is equal now to the square root of the hypotenuse squared minus opposite squared. Let's substitute now the given data, and we will be getting 8.94 meters. So our final answer, the opposite is 8 meters, and then the adjacent is 8.94 meters. The hypotenuse is 12 meters. And this is the representation of the problem number 1. The angle of inclination is 70 degrees, the opposite is 10 meters, and then the length of the ladder, which is 10 meters long. Okay, so that is the representation or the illustration. And then for number 2, that's the representation. We have the ladder 12 meters, and then the height is 8 meters, and then the adjacent is 8.94 meters. So practice problem number 3. A ladder 15 meters long makes a 60 degrees angle with the ground. Illustrate the triangle and determine which trigonometric ratio could be used to find the ladder's distance from the wall. So we are given hypotenuse 15 meters, theta equal to 60 degrees. Required which ratio to find the distance from the wall, which is the adjacent, and then compute it. So our solution, we are going to use the cosine ratio because there is an adjacent there. So our cosine of 60 degrees is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, which is 15. So by cross multiplication, the adjacent side of our right triangle is equal to 15 multiplied by cosine 60 degrees, which is equal to 7.5 meters. So the final answer, we need to use cosine function or cosine ratio, and then the distance from the wall, which is the adjacent side of the right triangle, is 7.5 meters. And this is the illustration of our right triangle. So hypotenuse 15 meters, the angle of inclination is 60 degrees. You have there the opposite, and the adjacent is 7.5 meters. Number 4. A ladder leans against a wall and reaches 9 meters high. The distance from the ladder's foot to the wall is 4 meters. Sketch and identify the trigonometric ratios that apply. So we are given opposite 9 meters and then adjacent 4 meters. We are required to sketch and sketch the labels and then obtain the applicable ratios to find the length of the ladder and the angle. So since we are given the opposite and the tangent values, so we can get the hypotenuse using the Pythagorean theorem. Hypotenuse is equal to the square root of opposite squared plus adjacent squared. Substitute the given data for hypotenuse and adjacent. The hypotenuse is approximately equal to 9.85. And to determine the value of the angle, we use tangent theta because we are given the opposite over the adjacent. So tangent theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. Opposite is 9, adjacent is 4. We can then get the value of the angle theta by obtaining the arctangent of the value 9 over 4. And the answer is 66.04 degrees. So we now can get the value of the sine theta. The sine theta then is equal to opposite over the hypotenuse, which is 9 over 9.85. The cosine of the angle theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Substitute 4 to the adjacent and 9.85 to the hypotenuse. That is our cosine of theta. 4 over 9.85. So the final answer, hypotenuse is 9.85 meters. The angle theta is 66.04. And the applicable ratios, we have sine of the angle theta is 9 over 9.85. Cosine of the angle theta is 4 over 9.85. The tangent of the angle theta is 9 over 4, opposite over adjacent. And that is the illustration of our number 4. Our hypotenuse, 9.85 as calculated. Our angle theta is 66.04 degrees. The height, the opposite side is 9 meters. And then the adjacent side is 4 meters. Number 5. A 20-meter ladder is placed at an angle of 45 degrees with the ground. Label the sides and identify the correct ratios for sine, cosine, and tangent. So we are given hypotenuse 20 meters and theta is equal to 45 degrees. We are asked to determine the sides and then label the sides and then give the value of the sine, cosine, and tangent of the angle 45 degrees. So using the formula of sine theta, opposite side, we are given the hypotenuse. So we can obtain the sine 45 degrees. Sine of theta is opposite over hypotenuse. So opposite is equal to 20 over 1 over squared of 2. Using the sine 45 degrees, opposite is equal to adjacent, which is equal to 20 over squared of 2, which is approximately 14.4. So sine 45 degrees is the opposite over adjacent. And then substitute the value, you will be getting squared of 2 over 2. And then cosine 45 degrees, that is adjacent, which is 14.14, and then divided by the hypotenuse, 20, you will be getting squared of 2 over 2. Look at that. Sine 45 degrees is equal to cosine 45 degrees, having a value of squared of 2 over 2. And then the tangent of 45 degrees is opposite over adjacent, 14.14 over 14.14. You will be getting 1. So the final answer, the opposite is 14.14 meters. The adjacent side is 14.14 meters. And then the sine, which is equal to the cosine of the angle theta, is equal to square root of 2 over 2. The tangent of angle theta, 45 degrees, is equal to 1. We will have the next part of our quarter 3 measurement and geometry lesson Roman numeral number 1.